Here's how to add some custom items to your World of Warcraft private server. First, let's go to wow-v.com, and here you'll need to register. And after you've done that, go ahead and hit create, and there'll be a bunch of selections that you can choose. Today I'm going to just make a weapon. First, go ahead and just type the name. I'm going to put a sword. In a quote, that'll be the yellow text that is under all of that. And then here you can pick the type. Epic, legendary, artifact, whatever. Next, you need to pick a display ID. This is what it'll look like. You can go ahead and pick the display ID for set codes of whatever you want to. I'm just going to type in sword. As you can see, there's a huge list. Just going to pick the last one. Copy and paste the display ID. Paste that in display ID. Okay, now you need to get a code, but you'll type it in to add it if you're a GM. And now you can go ahead and pick one hand, two hand, three hand, whatever. Next, you pick how you'll be able to equip it. And of course, one hand sword. Make sure it matches. Don't make it hard for bank. Now, unrepairable, repairable, whatever, and the durability, how long it'll last. And this is the bind on pickup, bind on equip, bind on use. This is how you'll sheath and unsheath the weapon. Here you'll pick what type of ammo that it has, but you don't want to put ammo for a sword. Set the speed of the sword. You can add armor or block. Here's where you set the required level to use it, and the item level. Here, all you can do is basically set up the reputation it takes to use this weapon. There's a lot of different settings. I'm not going to go through them all. But, yeah, if you're making a custom item and you're really getting into it, there you go. So, all kinds of different reputations, how much of it, and everything. How much of it you can have. All classes, all races, custom items, custom whatever you want to talk about. Damage minimum, damage max. There's 2 lines, so you can do holy damage, shadow damage, physical damage. It's all types. Okay, here you can add the item stats. There's just a ton. You can add a bunch of everything. How much of it, like stamina, agility. I don't want to get too redonkulous. Here you can add the item resistance. Here are the item bonuses. You can steal life, whatever you want it to. Pretty cool stuff there. Random ones here. Here you can set up the sockets, meta sockets, red sockets, yellow, blue sockets. You can have up to 3 at a time. And you can also add socket bonuses. There's only a few. Item value, how much it's worth, how much you can sell it for. Pretty much that's it. And you go ahead and hit submit. Here it'll show you your finished product of what you've created, pretty much. And then after that you hit download. Whatever type of server you have, there's like 5 different selections. Go ahead and pick which one you're using. Go ahead save. You can save it to wherever, it doesn't matter. Go ahead hit open if you have Haiti SQL. Just gonna close all that out. Now your password should be ascent. Then hit connect. Oh, I got an error because I didn't have my SQL running for my server. So we'll go ahead and start that up. Should be in your server folder, my SQL. Load that up and hit connect. You should be good. You need to go to world. And it's not going to be in the first set probably, so you scroll down and you'll see this thing called item. Go ahead and hit that. And if you need to have it on query, or whatever you call it. And if you didn't do open, you can import, load SQL file, and you can import if you have like a whole set list of armor. Just keep doing that back and forth. Make sure the item code isn't already taken, and there you go.